Hello friends, a very welcome to Silk Zone. Today again I'm here back with a very beautiful collections of sarees, and I'm showing you the videos how that we are printing the Tassar silk sarees, how this printing and coloring is done in our factory, because directly you are purchasing from the one manufacturer. So I wanted to show you this printing design, that how we are doing the printing and all in our sarees, how beautiful design we are doing, and all the things we are doing here is done by our hand. All the sarees are handmade painting, handmade design, and everything, the weaving and all are being done for the Tassar silk sarees by the hand only. So for this only the sarees are famous, because these all sarees are produced, designed by hand only. Just see how this printing is done. I'm showing this video from the factory itself. The printing design, how these printings, block prints are made all over the sarees, and how these paintings are done so beautifully. We are designing these sarees so beautifully. We are just giving a very good figure and design to the saree, color combinations and all. You can see friends, very beautiful these sarees are. This is a view from the factory. So you can see how these worker are doing so good and so best of their, they are giving to give a best design to the sarees. Just see how slightly and how perfectly they are giving the designs over the saree. That zigzag design you can see here, which is having a black color and blue color combinations, and all over the saree we are giving a paint of yellow color. How we are painting this Tassar silk saree by the hand. You are just getting a fully handmade sarees from the Silk Zone. Friend, for this kinds of prettiest saree, you can call us on the given number 9916448165, or equals you can directly log on to www.silkzone.in, and you can have a look to our entire collection there itself. And the friends, the cost of this beautiful saree is just only 4,500 rupees, which is totally handmade and pure Tassar silk sarees. They are pure Tassar silk sarees. Along with this saree, you are getting a very beautiful zari border at the bottom. And see the friends how beautiful designs these sarees. These sarees are having a very beautiful designs, floral design at the bottom side, and the color combination you can see, and the pallu design you can see. So beautiful, this is very beautiful friends. Floral design over the pallu, which a very beautiful color combination, green, blue, yellow, orange, and peacock design. This design is there in the pallu, you can see. And all the sarees are including blouse pieces. Very beautiful color combination and very beautiful designs made by hand only over the pure Tassar silk sarees at just rupees 4,500 from the Silk Zone. See the another design, which is a red color having a white color floral design. Even this is a block print design, which is having a zari border at the both side of the saree, and a very beautiful floral design with a very beautiful zari design and a very beautiful border and color combination. As you can see, it's amazing color combinations from the Silk Zone. Just at the cost of 4,500 rupees, you are going to get this sarees from the Silk Zone. You are getting these sarees at this price, friends, because you are directly purchasing from the manufacturers. And yeah, in this beginning of this video, I showed you how these sarees are manufactured in our factory. But a lot of process. By first of all, we are giving a color design, block print design. After a long process, the sarees are manufactured, and all these things are done by hand only. And because of this handmade design, this art design, these sarees are very famous and very skin friendly. This is a pure Tassar silk sarees. This is Tassar by Tassar, and the cost is just 4,500 rupees. Friends, for the more collections of these kinds of sarees, you can directly log in to www.silkzone.in, and you can search for the pure Tassar silk sarees, art sarees by floral design, anything in type, and you can look for this kinds of more and more collection over there. We are having a lot of collection there, and in this video I am showing few of the sarees of Tassar silk. We are having more than 500 design, around thousands design we are having in our website. You can directly have a look to there to our entire collection. Have a look to this beautiful sarees. This is in a yellow, blue, and red, white. All the color combinations are very beautiful, very awesome. And friend, one more thing, the specialty of the Silk Zone is that if you want to customize any color, if you are looking for any other design in over this, then you can send your own design to us, and we will surely manufacture that one and will provide you, friends. This all sarees are pure Tassar, pure 100% pure Tassar. No any other combinations is there, friends. If you are looking for the pure Tassar silk saree with the art designs and with this floral designs, then please just come to the Silk Zone only, because you are going to this directly from the manufacturer, and this genuine price. Friends, if you want to Google these kinds of sarees anyway, and if you go for any online shopping, then surely you are going to put more than 8,000. If you don't believe it, then you can Google and you can search it out how costly these sarees are. You are getting these sarees at this lowest price, because as I told you, directly you are purchasing from a factory. directly from a manufacturer. So you are getting the beautiful collection sarees from the Silk Zone at just rupees 4,500 rupees, the pure Tasar silk sarees, a beautiful art design, block print design and color combination with a zari border too. And all these sarees include blouse pieces, as I told you friends. So if you want to talk to us, if you want to contact us, you can directly call on the number which is given in the screen. You can see 9916448165, or else you can directly WhatsApp us on the same number. This is the official WhatsApp number. You can directly contact us on that number also. If you want us to send the pictures of the sarees on the WhatsApp, even we will do that also, and you can have a look to our designs collection at our website, that is www.silkzone.in. And friends, these sarees are very awesome and lightweight sarees and very skin friendly, as well as once you're going to wear that, you are going to look very amazing, very prettiest one and very beautiful. You can use this saree for any kinds of functions as well as for your regular use. If you are a teacher, any professor, if you are engaged in any professional work, then for that purpose also you can these kinds of very beautiful collection sarees, as well as you can use this all sarees for our family functions, marriages and all, because these sarees are loved and by most of the women for wearing these sarees, because this is very skin friendly and very lightweighted sarees and very comfortable to wear. And you feel very cool and very awesome once you are going to wear very lightweighted saree. The color combination is that beautiful that by wearing this you are going to look very amazing, and you are going to look very attractive as well. See the color combination friends, the design is like peacock design, leaf design, floral design. Color combination is very beautiful in a natural color. You can see this which is having a zari border designs in the bottom, and the design is very beautiful friends, and all the designs are done by hand only. As I showed you in the beginning, you see that how beautiful these designs are done. So thank you so much friends for giving your precious time to watch these videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for the more videos. I will be posting the new videos and you will be getting the new notifications, so you can see the latest collections from the Silk Zone. Thank you so much for your time.